Hi everyone, this is Malutin Reviewing Tips. Welcome to my third part. Today we'll be making our bootable USB drive with OS Mojave for older version of Macs. Okay, so the first thing we'll need to do is to go to dosdude1.com. You can see the main page over here. We'll need to go to my software, and here you can see options for OS Mojave, OS High Sierra and OS Sierra, which basically works the same way. So in our case, we're going to OS Mojave. We can see OS Mojave page patcher tool for Unsupported Mac here. Okay, so let's go and see the requirements. You can see options for Mac Pro, iMac, MacBook. You can check it out later. So the thing we'll want to do is to go to download. Direct or mirror, depends what you prefer. First thing is to download the patch. Okay, so the patch is downloaded. Let's go over here, get it in the Finder. Let's unzip the patch. Okay, let's put it on our desktop like this. Okay, so the patch is done. This is part one. Second thing we'll need to do is to insert our flash drive and format it. So I'm inserting my flash drive right now. Now we need to go to our applications, utilities, disk utility. Okay, so we are in disk utility. We can see the external memory over here, which is at the moment ititled. Let's erase it, name it macOS X Mojave, and let's erase it. This could take some time, so I'll speed it up and we'll continue when it's done. Okay, so we have formatted our USB drive. Now we have our patch, we have our USB drive. The only thing we are missing is genuine OS Mojave. So let's go to our App Store. In search bar we'll need to put OS Mojave. Oops. Mojave. My bad. Okay, view, get. Okay, so we'll need to wait till we get downloaded copy. Now we have our option to download it. Let's download it. This will take like 5 or 6 minutes, depends on your internet connection. I will return as soon as I have OS Mojave downloaded, and we'll continue from there. Okay, so our OS Mojave had downloaded. You can see we have an installation option on this Mac, which basically supports the OS Mojave. We'll put it aside. Let's close our App Store, our disk utility. So now we have our patcher, our USB drive, and we also have our OS Mojave. And now we are 100% ready to go into the business. So now we'll need to go to our patcher on our desktop. My machine, as you can see, is natively supported by OS Mojave. But this is not a problem. To create the USB drive, you'll need to press OK. Let's click this icon and locate our OS Mojave. Here it is. Okay, so it's successfully verified. And let's select our volume. So this will be macOS X Mojave, or you can rename it, let's say 16 GB, whatever you prefer. Let's refresh. It's 16 GB for your convenience. And now we just need to press this button, start operation. Yes, so the problem to erase the content, and how we erased it till now. Yes. You'll need to enter your administrative password. Enter. And the preparation of your USB drive has started. This could take, depending on your machine, from hour to hour and a half. I will return to this video as soon as we will be done with our USB drive to continue with the installation. Okay, so we are back. You can see that our Mojave patcher had finished preparing our USB drive and getting our files inside it. So if we open our USB, we can see that all installation files are here. So for this part we are done. Now we are going to go to our laptop and install it and see how all this works for us. So if you like this part of the video, please hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the last part installation of my macOS Mojave on an older version of MacBook. Stay tuned, see you!